Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel with another interesting topic in Power BI and Python. Today we are going to analyze customer relationships using Venn diagram, and we will create this diagram using Python. Venn diagrams are used in sales and customer data analysis to visually analyze, compare and identify relationships between different customer segments, product features, or marketing strategies. They simplify complex information, making it easier to identify opportunities, solve problems, and make data driven decisions. So, today we will convert our customers into customer segmentation using Venn diagram, and on the basis of this segmentation we can create better strategy to target customers. So let's go ahead and start our today's tutorial. So before creating the Venn diagram using the Matplotlib library, make sure that the required library is installed, and you can use the pip to install the required library like this. So here it says that the Venn diagram library has successfully installed, and now we can use this library in Python to create the Venn diagram, and we can also use the same in Power BI now as well. So this is our data set. We have 4 columns. One is date, and then we have customer ID, and then we have the amount of sales, and then we have the category. And today we are going to analyze our category column using Venn diagram. So in this diagram we analyze the overlapping circles to visualize relationships, similarities, and differences between 2 or more sets of items. So here we have 3 sets of items: clothing, home decor, and electronics. And today we will analyze which ones of our customers fall in 2 or more categories. So let's import this data into Power BI using get data. So this is the Excel file that we are going to use for our data, and the data sheet has all the data that we need. So let's load this data. And here are the 4 columns that we are going to use in our analysis. Now let's go ahead and insert a text box and place it at the top of the dashboard, and add the title of our dashboard, which is customers relationship analysis. So let's make it 36, and this is it. Now we have the title of our dashboard. Now we will add some visuals. So let's add a donut chart, place it here, and add categories and sales. So this will show sales in each category. So almost 10k sales in each category has been made during first 10 days of January 2026. And the second important analysis is the analysis of daily sales. So let's add a line chart and place it here and add the date field to x-axis and sales to y-axis. So if your date column been classified as text, you can change it to date time, and now you can go back, and now your date field has date hierarchies as well. Previously this was just a text data type field. And now instead of displaying all the sales transactions, you can display the sales of one day only. So from the date hierarchy you can simply add day, and now you have daily sales. So these are the simple analysis of your sales. You have sales by category and sales by date. Now we will analyze the customer relationships using the Venn diagram. So what we will do is that we will add a Python visual, and we will enable the Python script, and now we will add the category field and the sales field to our Python visual. It will automatically import our data as dataset. So we will use the word dataset to communicate with our data, and we do not need these lines anymore. We can delete them now, but remember, you can use dataset to use this data in your Python code. So first of all, we need to import the pyplot library. And we will use this library to visualize our data. And then we need the Venn diagram library, and now we have all the libraries. Panda library is automatically imported into the visual, so you do not have to use the import pandas, but we need to import these libraries. So as I have told already, that Power BI already has imported data in a data frame called dataset. So we will now extract unique customers for each category from that dataset. So let's extract electronics customers from that dataset. So here we are basically filtering data where category is equal to electronics. So we will use similar lines for home decor and clothing. So let's change this to home decor. Home decor, and let's also change this to home decor and this to clothing. So now we have unique customers for each category, and now we need to define the plot figure size equals 8h. Now we have the plot, and we'll use the Venn diagram. We are going to use this one here. Electronics, home decor, clothing. So these are all defined here: electronics, home decor, and clothing. Then we will set labels. And then we will select colors for each category. These colors will be used in the circles, and you can choose any color. So let's choose red, green, and blue. And finally, let's set the alpha value to 0.7, which means 70%. So after this, we will use plt.title. This will set the title of our chart: customers relationship analysis. And we can also change the font size to 14. And finally, we can display the chart by using plt.show. So if everything is okay and we did not make any spelling mistake or hopefully any other mistake in this code, this will display our Venn diagram here. So let's click on this run script button, and there is a mistake. Okay. So we did have a mistake here. This is Matplotlib. Let's try again. And there is another mistake. Customer. What happened? Okay. That is because we do not have customer column in our data set. We did not actually import this column. Instead, we imported the sales column. So we can get rid of this sales column and import the customer column. We do not need to summarize this data. And here we go. And now we have the analysis here, and as you can see, we have 8 customers that are both buying electronics and clothing. Then we have 8 customers that are buying the home decor and clothing, and 4 customers that have purchased electronics and home decor. And then we have 14 customers that only purchased electronics, 12 customers that only purchased home decor, and 8 customers that only purchased clothing. So we can change the colors of these circles to display the data even better. So let's use some light colors. Like this, and now it is much better. And we have 2 customers that have purchased all of these items. So this basically shows us the behavior of our customer and creates a customer segmentation which we can use to target our customers and create a customer strategy, a better customer strategy with the help of this data. We can even filter this data based on day as well. So this is the end of our tutorial today. We'll see you in future with another interesting tutorial. Till then, have a nice day and have fun learning Power BI.